Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see one of the data manipulation technique. This is called split columns. So we have this type of data set, and suppose we have this column, and in this column we have multiple parts of data which are separated by comma. So we will see how we can split this column and separate this with multiple columns. So before going to the main video of this tutorial, I will request you, if you are new to our channel and still if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's go to the main tutorial. So here is the column. Our target is to divide this thing in multiple parts. To split the column, at first you need to figure out which column do you want to split. So here there are many columns, so my target is to split this column only. So to split this column, what you have to do, you have to select the column, and after that you'll find a small triangle in the top right corner. Okay, and this is like arrow like thing. So if you click over there, then this type of menu will be appeared. From here there is one option, it is called split. So as you are trying to divide this thing into separate columns, so we have to choose this option. So I'm going to hit split, and let's see how it is changing. So I'm going to hit split, and you'll see that this column, existing column, is there, but it created another two columns, and this thing actually separated like first and the other part. In this way it is separated. Okay, and in the top you will see that here there is no border. I mean, there is no thick line. For other cases there is thick line, either light blue or light orange, but for this case there is nothing. That means it is created new columns, that's why there is nothing. So it is not coming from any of the table. We actually created this thing by manipulating the existing data. After splitting this column, you will see there are multiple columns. So the header of these columns are not like easily understandable. So we need to rename the header of these rows. So to rename this, we can double click or we can right click, and then we can choose rename. Suppose I'm renaming this field like C1, for example. I'm not putting any like meaningful name, just to show you, because I'm trying to make the video short, and C2. Okay, but for your case you have to pick a name based on your project requirement, or you have to choose a meaningful name which is understandable by anybody. So in this way you can easily split the existing column into multiple columns, and you can easily identify which columns are new and which are not in the data set by this border. There is no border for the new columns. So that's all guys. Hopefully by watching this video you can easily split this thing. Now I want to show you another thing, the advanced way to split the column. To split this column you can also do one other way. So at the time you have to choose the column, and then from this triangle just click there, and just below the split you will find another option. It is called custom split. Okay, so once you click there, then it will pop up this type of menu or this type of window where there will be multiple input box and OK and cancel button. Here you have to put based on what separator you want to split. Suppose for this case we have comma, we can put comma. Then that means based on this comma, this column will be splitted. But if there is no comma, only a space, you can only put a space, and then based on this space it will be separated. Okay, so right now we have comma, that's why I put comma. And then there is some other options are like split up, where first, last, or all, based on your data set and the number of columns, how many columns it is showing. Okay, you can change either from the last or from the first or all, and also you can mention the number of columns. So in this way you can split your column both simple way or custom way. Hopefully by watching this video you are pretty clear how to split the column, and if you have any question or if you have any understanding issue, just put in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. If this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.